Hey guys, what's up? Kyal Chal? This is CA Nikunj Goenka, your tax mentor. Hopefully, you're doing good. Welcome all of you in our announcement video for CMA Intermediate DTIDT December 2026 examinations. Yes, sir, I'm very happy to announce a live batch for CMA Intermediate DTIDT December 2026 live batch. Sir, June 26 is already near. Many students are already taking admissions, recorded classes for June 2026. Thank you so much for the amazing support that you people have given us. That shows the importance of CMA exclusive classes that we do at Nikunj Goenka classes. Sir, एक बार हमें इस वीडियो के थ्रू आपको बताने दीजिए कि what are the key features of our new live batch of CMA Intermediate DTIDT that is applicable for December 2026 examinations. For June 2026 examinations, please continue your recordings. For December 2026, those students who have already taken the recorded sessions that all are updated for your December 2026 classes. Please continue watching those classes. Do not come and shift in the live classes, because in the live classes we will go as per our own speed, we will go as per our length, and everything is same which has been already given to you in the recorded sessions. It's just that anyone who is wanting to start the DTIDT journey for intermediate in December 2026, they can start now, because DTIDT is a very humongous syllabus, huge subject. At least it will take 150 lectures, approx 140 to 150 lectures of 2 hours each, 300 hours content. DTIDT, it is more than a subject, because you are studying two subjects in one paper, DT as well as IDT, which carries 200 marks in CMA final. So sir, CMA exclusive classes for designed for intermediate DTIDT, especially students who are focusing only on CMA as per the CMA syllabus, intermediate DT and IDT as per the ICMI pattern, as per the ICMI syllabus, everything will be done as per the ICMI. Sir, most importantly, it is Finance Act 2025 updated, which is relevant for your December 2026 examinations. Let me tell you, Income Tax Act 2025 will be applicable for June 2027 term, which has nothing to do with December 26 examination. तो Finance Act 2025 updated रहेगा ये classes. Complete coverage of all the amendments which will be there for Finance Act 2025 will be covered in the syllabus. Please do not forget, whatever sessions जो स्टूडेंट्स December 26 के लिए क्लासेस ले चुके हैं, जो लोग ऑलरेडी अभी सेशंस देख रहे हैं, उनके लिए ये कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. आप लोग प्लीज December 26 का जो रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस है देखते रहिए. ये मैं अनाउंस कर रहा हूं लाइव बैच फॉर December 2026. अगेन लाइव बैच में जो है वो आपका यहां पर स्टार्ट हो रहा है. December 2026 तक you can take the validity. Whatever your classes which you will take now will be valid till December 2026. Full course access will be there till your last term, till your December 31st December 2026, so that you can continuously revise your concepts at any time during the examination. Views will be unlimited. You can watch our lectures multiple times, one video any number of times you can watch. There is no restriction on the views, but yes, only one device will be allowed. Whichever device you want to take, either laptop, either Windows, either iOS, either Mac, whatever you do, only one device will be allowed to you. So make sure that whichever device you want to choose, you install your classes and install our pair only in that one device. So let me tell you, you have printed books option, also you have ebooks option. Printed book का जो option रहेगा, that will be hard copy books which will be relevant for you. Ebook will be soft copy which will be sent over to you on email, which can be downloadable and printable by you at your convenience, and you can do. Definitely there is a lower price for ebooks, and printing cost and delivery cost is added in the printable book option. A marginal difference of 700 rupees is there, because in DTIDT we give you 3 books. You give 3 books, huge volumes, huge number of pages, so there is a significant printing cost which is involved in this syllabus. ठीक है sir, 100% the content will be exam oriented content. You be rest assured that whatever your CMA institute is giving in your examinations in the past trends, everything has been done. We are focusing on your exam related content, covering all your practical questions, covering all the important adjustments which is relevant in your examinations. ICMI complete mock test paper, past term paper, and institute material will be covered in your particular classes. All the chapter wise classes will be done. Everything will be done as per the ICMI pattern. my practice book, that is saver book का full soft copy will be given to you, which can be printed at your own convenience, because it keeps on changing, it keeps on updating. We need to do that in the convenience step. तो ऐसे में MAT, ऐसे में PTP, ऐसे में MTP will be covered during the classes. Revisions and marathons. When it comes to revision and marathons, special revision sessions, marathon sessions, practice sessions will be taken before your examination, which I always do for all my students. So for you also it will be specially done for a quick revision. Mock test will be conducted chapter wise, group of chapter wise, as well as full mock test will be done before the examinations. You be rest assured that whenever you complete your classes, every 2-3 classes के बाद आपको बताया गया है कि how to do the mock test. So you have to just go to our drive, download the mock test paper, attempt the mock test paper, do the self evaluation, and then finally go through it. Okay, sir, from when are we starting this batch? We are starting this batch from 17th of March, right? Tuesday is the date from when we are starting this batch, live batch. First we'll be starting with indirect tax. We'll be starting from mid-March. By May we'll be ending, most probably by May end, right? By May end will be ending IDT, and then from June we'll be starting direct tax, which will be ending till August. So guys, let me tell you कि यहाँ पर whatever batch we are taking live batch. IDT you will be getting 100% live. Okay, IDT you will be getting 100% live. Direct tax will be mixed batch, because I have just completed direct tax for June and December 26. That same batch will be given to you. That will be mixed of live and recording, because you should be knowing that this is the last term, this is the last attempt where Income Tax Act 1961 will be applicable. Income Tax Act 25 will be soon after applicable from June 2027 examinations. So IDT will be fully live. You can join with me. Direct tax will be a blended portion. Some chapters will be live and some chapters will be recorded. Okay, Finance Act 2025. The timing of the batch will be 4:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. This batch is exclusively for the last attempt of Income Tax Act 1961, that is December 2026. And these are the summarized features of my batch, which is already there in my YouTube community post. You can check. And guys, result speaks, not me. You can just check our comments, you can check our marathon videos, you can check our practice session, and you can see the amount of effort we do before the examinations for all our students, especially in the taxation subject, final DT, which I am taking in, right? So it is exclusive classes, exam term validity, unlimited views, validity till exam oriented pattern hai, everything is there guys, which is relevant for your CMA examinations. ठीक है? So that's all what I wanted to say. See you very soon in the sessions. Finance Act 25 updated starting from 17th March. Link is given in the description box. You can just visit our website www.nikunjgoenka.com, and there you will find the product, and then you can take the classes as well as you wish. Okay? So that's all I wanted to say. See you very soon in the coming classes. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.